Struggling to lose weight without breaking the bank? What if I told you these 5 healthy breakfasts, each under $5, can keep you full, boost your metabolism, and melt fat all morning? Stick around, you'll love these. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into 5 budget-friendly breakfasts designed for weight loss. High in protein and fiber, low in calories, and super easy to make. Each serves one and costs about $5 or less using basic grocery staples. Let's jump in. First up, Peanut Butter Banana Overnight Oats. Grab a mason jar, add half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, half a sliced banana, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Stir, seal, and refrigerate overnight. That's 350 calories, 12 grams protein, and only $2.50. Perfect for grab-and-go mornings. Recipe 2, Budget Veggie Egg Scramble. Whisk 2 eggs with salt, pepper, and spinach. Sauté chopped tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers in a non-stick pan, then add eggs. Scramble for 3 minutes. Serve with 1 slice whole grain toast. 320 calories, 20 grams protein, under $3. Eggs keep you satisfied for hours. Number 3, Greek Yogurt Power Bowl. Layer 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, a handful of frozen berries, 1 tablespoon oats, and a dash of cinnamon. Top with a teaspoon of honey if needed. Blend or stir. 280 calories, 25 grams protein, about 280. Probiotic packed and antioxidant rich for fat burning. 4th, high protein green smoothie. Blend 1 banana, a handful of spinach, half cup frozen mango, 1 scoop protein powder or yogurt, and water. Pour into a glass. 300 calories, 22 grams protein, just $3.20. Sip this and crush your hunger while detoxing. Last but best, chickpea avocado wrap. Mash half a can of chickpeas with lemon, diced cucumber, tomato, and a bit of avocado. Wrap in a whole wheat tortilla. 380 calories, 15 grams protein, $4.50 max. Plant-based power for steady energy. There you have it, 5 delicious $5 or less breakfasts to supercharge your weight loss. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, like if this helped, and subscribe for more cheap, healthy meal ideas. See you next time.